Hi, it's Joyce. Welcome to another declutter and organization video. This time it is in my drink area. You're seeing me pull out some glass containers that have silicone on the outside to help prevent breakage. And I'm just pointing out here that they are made of glass because I am trying to reduce our plastic usage. I got this from a thrift store. It has sugar in it. My dad always drank sugar with his coffee. I'm going to move this. So, quick story. Dad made ginger snap cookies, and with whatever sugar was left that he used to top them off with, he would put them aside over by the coffee maker, and the next morning he would use that sugar in his coffee. Add a little bit of the cookie taste to it. So waste, want not, right? Waste not, want not. These really are my favorites. I'm not sure why I have these. I don't have a coffee maker for it. And we have extra coffee down below under the little sink that I'll move up to the upper cabinet. So I have like things with like things. And then we're going to go back to these glass containers and we're going to fill them up with water. And my plan is to put them into the other refrigerator where we have the majority of our drinks. And our goal is to use less bottled water. Sometimes organizing is just moving things from one place to the other, but it is still organizing because you're putting like things together, and that's okay. Then you're not wondering, why do I have this here? Why do I have those over there? And I'm finding a common theme that's happening a lot. Here you see I have some champagne glasses that are Dom Perignon. I hope I said that right. They were my father-in-law's, who I never met. And I don't want to get rid of those because that's a decision for my husband. So this cabinet is fuller, but it is more organized. Next, we're going to tackle this drawer. And I find I have more towels in this side, and I'm not sure why. I have a lot of lids in here that I'm going to be able to find homes for so they don't have to be separated. Time for cleanup and putting it back together. Look how empty this is now. It's awesome. Can I just say being sick stinks because I really like talking to you. And I'm going to have to voice over this stuff, so apologies. Let's take this one on. So I'm relocating these. I am donating 4 wine glasses, little container, water bottle, some cups, and some lids, filters, koozies, some cloths, and these. Not a huge declutter, but it is more organized. So let's walk and take a look. I was able to put the lids to those on them, and so that one top is really full now, but I need to talk to my husband about some of these before I consider decluttering more. It's our little coffee station, a little snack station, and then this one, I put our snacks up there that get filled in this next station. Not every organization project or declutter task has to have huge results. The fact that you're doing it and the end product is better, that's all that matters. Bye for now.